Okay, so for practice problem 2, I'm going to write in the 1 here so I can see it. So the coefficients for x are 1 and 2. The coefficients for y are 2 and 3. Now, I can multiply 1 by something to make it equal 2, so I'm going to eliminate my x's. I can turn this 1 into a 2 by multiplying by 2. So I'm going to get 2x minus 4y equals 30, and just rewrite the second equation. Now, do we add or do we subtract? Both of these 2's are positive. They're the exact same, so we subtract because 2 minus 2 is 0. The x's are eliminated. Now we have a negative 4 minus 3, which is negative 7. And then 30 minus 2 is 28. Y is negative 4. I'm going to plug that in. I guess I'll use the first equation. So I'm going to use this equation. But instead of y, I'm going to put negative 4. Negative times negative is positive. I'm going to subtract 8 on each side, one-step equation. X equals 7. So I think the answer is 7, negative 4. Let's check it on the next slide. Okay, so I think the answer is 7, negative 4. I'm going to set it up, but instead of x, I put a 7. And instead of y, I put a negative 4. It's supposed to equal 15. And I get 7 minus a negative means plus. 4 times 2 is 8. So the first one checks out. Second equation, instead of variables, I'll put my parentheses. X is 7, y is negative 4. This is 14. 3 and negative 4 makes negative 12, which is 2. So this is the correct answer. One more practice problem.